Alright, good morning. Just stopped at a road crossing down there, put some headphones in, because we're about to do 5 miles straight up. So I need some music to jam out to for some motivation. Beautiful morning. Had a great start for like the first 2 miles. Now it's time to go all uphill for like 5 straight miles. Oh yeah. It's beautiful out here though. Love it.
Road trip up the East Coast. My nephew's an actor, and he was in a play down in Charleston, so we kind of started in that area. Now we're headed back.
Get up. How did it work? Oh. Jeez. Later, Howard.
Made it 300 miles. Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
Only like 1,900 more to go.